Hey guys, today I'll be making a Pop-Tart squishy. And my friend, she's getting the stuff that we need. There you go. Thanks. So we're going to be needing something to put your paint on. Foam. Paint. More paint. Scissors. So let's get onto the video. No! So first I'm going to be tracing the square out. And I'll be right back when I'm finished cutting it out. So now guys, I'm finished cutting out the shape of my Pop-Tart. So now I'm gonna mix paint with King Gold and some brown. And then add a little bit puffy paint when you mix the two colors. So now that we got the colors together, this is how it supposedly looks like with the colors mixed with the puffy paint, that King's Gold color and that brown color. So this is the color that you should get, and I call it peanut butter color. So I'm gonna take the rest for y'all. Do that. Now I am finished with the whole thing. So now get your white puffy paint. White puffy paint and draw a smaller square inside of it. So I'll be right back when I'm finished. So now she has finished making the white puffy paint, the smaller circle with the white puffy paint, the icing. Well, yeah. So now I am going to put the sprinkles on. You can put it any color you want. She's going to make strawberry. Yeah. So I'm going to use pink, purple, blue, pink, blue, and whatever the other color is. Yeah. No. So now instead of using purple, she's going to use green. I said not to use green, just use pink and whatever colors else she is using. But instead she wanted to use green, so I said it doesn't matter. So she just used green, but I don't care. Yeah, and also blue. Why don't you wait till it's going to be dry? Yeah. Finished with the green. Now time for the pink. Oops. I mean, it doesn't look that bad. You could have just waited until the puffy paint dried. Yeah, but I didn't want to. It takes like a whole day to dry. Now, time for the blue. Blue. Oh, what are those dots? It's ugly. I think I could have just left the pink and green. Because now that you added the blue, it looks good with color. Because the rest were like neon colors. No, it's like a dark. And if you guys didn't know,